morning, this is Zesta. Zesta loves nature, Zesta loves herbs, Zesta loves natural things. See the oranges I just harvested. I won't say I harvest. These oranges all dropped on the ground. They were ripe enough and dropped. So I picked them up. I'm going to pieces them and then dry them for my herbal extracts, for my dried herbal extracts and dried soap. I'm washing them. As you can see, I'm using soapy water to wash them, then I'll rinse them. This orange tree, I think I've harvested this amount about 3 times now. This is what is left, but by the time it's out of season, I would have stocked enough and kept enough for use. There are lemons also that I've already harvested. I don't know if you can see some. The lemons too are getting out. You can see some. Okay, very soon when it's mango season, I will harvest also. And I have aloe vera all over my house. So you see, getting all these herbs to put into my products is quite easy for me. Okay, let me show you some of the dried ones that I intend to burn and turn into ashes for my black soap. So in here I have pineapples, I have bananas, I have lemon peel, I have orange peel, and as you can see the oranges, see, complete and whole. You can see them complete and whole, just like that one I'm going to cut now, complete and whole. So these ones are all already dry. You can see. So I'm going to burn them into ashes for when I want to make my organic or my black soap. I'll add it also to the already prepared black soap lye.
Mommy, this one has spoiled.
Leave it out. Do it later. Just be giving the one
The one that has not spoiled. This one has spoiled. Yes.
You're
not using it well.
You must stop and spoil the video for me. So I've finished. You see these plenty seeds here? You can imagine the amount of grape oil you get from this. You can see, you can imagine the amount of oils you get from the orange peel. And then see the fiber, the vitamin C, all the goodies, everything intact. This is food grade vitamin C powder I'm making. Food grade. Here you have all your nutrients, everything intact. And I'm not even going to dry it inside the sun. I'm going to dry it in an airy room outside, so that everything, this is Harmattan period, before you know it, the water, everything has dried up. Okay, because I want to avoid dust. Since I'm using everything, I know this is high in moisture, so to avoid dust being attracted to it, so I'm going to keep it indoors, but in a well aerated place. So I've dried them now. You can see they are well spaced, and be careful not to allow any, for example like this one, don't turn it this way, let it be this way. You know this has high amount of moisture, and you want to avoid fruit flies. You want to encourage it drying as fast as possible. You can see this place, there is enough air coming in. Okay, there's enough air coming in from all directions. Okay, but at the same time, it will keep out lizards, it will keep out very large insects. Okay, so this is food grade, just the way you do dry your strawberry, dry your coconut, dry your tomato, you know, The same way you can dry your oranges like this, so that when they are not in season, you still have its goodness. Okay, so I'm going to leave this, and I can guarantee you in the next 2 days this will begin to dry up properly. Okay, so this is my dehydrated orange. I eventually brought it out for that crispy dryness. If you keep it indoors, you not get that crispy dryness. But at least at this stage now, insects will not follow it. Okay, dust will not easily settle on it. So I started the drying indoors. When I got some amount of dryness, and I brought it outside and continued. You can see it. We will now grind all into powder like this. So if you've watched this video to the very end, thank you very much. You can see some other things I'm drying, my peppers here too. I'm always drying things. It's better, that's the easiest way to conserve them instead of allowing them to spoil. Okay,
Oh, to do catch subscribe very well. This channel, I'm not joking. Don't like one day I do not subscribe. Oh, to do catch me in the life. Better subscribe. I am not joking.
that's my son for you. Bye bye. Carrots, cucumbers, pineapples, all inside, bananas, and they are complete. Not the one that I will use peel only. No, I'll just dry it, and although some like the pineapples, it was only the peel, and the bananas only the peel. But like the carrots and cucumbers, it was complete. I cut and put. Generally here, I have almost about 10 fruits in here. So just the way I did this one is the way I did. You can see this one now. I'm adding watermelons to it. There are still more that I'll still add to it, and then I'll now grind all.